I would come into work as early as 3 and 4 in the morning to avoid people. When you've got 10 to 12 teeth missing, you can't hide that.
Having to talk in front of groups, he was very shy because he didn't like to, show his teeth or smile.
For years, I would dream of a place where I could go and one day come out and have all my teeth.
At ClearChoice, our responsibility is to educate you and facilitate so you are very comfortable with the decision you're making.
Doing dentures just wouldn't work for me. It was a very collaborative and team approach. They've got a lab there, everything gets done in the lab. ClearChoice put together a personalized plan, and I've got the best smile I could ever ask for in one day. It is 100% transformation.